How long does jury duty last? Have you ever wondered how long you might be tied up with jury duty? This civic duty can vary quite a bit depending on several factors. Let's break it down so you know what to expect. First off, jury duty is a responsibility that involves serving on a jury to help decide the outcome of legal cases. The length of your service can change based on the type of trial and the procedures of the court. When you are selected as a juror, your service typically lasts until the trial is over. Most trials are relatively short, often lasting between 3 to 5 days. However, some cases can take longer, especially if they are complex or requiring lengthy discussions among jurors. In some areas, jurors may be placed on call for a certain period. This can last from a few days to several weeks. While on call, you need to be available to serve if the court needs you, but you are not actively serving unless you are called in. If you are selected for grand jury service, the duration is usually different. Grand jury terms can last several weeks or even months. This type of jury reviews evidence to decide if there is enough to move forward with a trial. Now, let's talk about how this fits into the world of capitalism and employment. In a capitalist society, jury duty can have an impact on your job and personal schedule. Employers are generally required to allow employees to take time off for jury duty. In some cases, they may also need to pay your regular wages during this time. This can affect businesses by temporarily reducing their workforce and increasing costs. Compensation for jurors varies by location, with daily fees that aim to offset costs like lost income and travel expenses. However, this compensation might not fully cover what you lose, especially for longer trials. So, the length of jury duty can vary quite a bit based on the trial type and court procedures. While many people may only have a short commitment, others could find themselves involved for longer periods, especially with grand jury service. Understanding these details can help you plan better if you ever receive a jury summons.